Okay, today we're going to talk about the preposition on in English, O-N, on. So it can be used to mean a lot of different things. For example, to indicate location or position, we have on the table, on the wall, on the floor, on the roof, on the edge. To indicate time, we say on Monday, on time, on the weekend, on occasion, or on the dot, which is an expression that means exactly at a specific time. To indicate state or condition, we have on fire, on alert, on duty, on hold, and on edge. On edge meaning nervous or anxious. To indicate an action or process, we could say on track, on the go, on the rise, on repeat, or on the move. To indicate a topic or focus, we might say on point, on purpose, on second thought, on the other hand, on the contrary. To indicate dependence or reliance, we might say on your side, on my own, on the team, on loan, or on call. And then other expressions are on sale, on and off, which means, I just about said it means on and off. It means intermittently. On top of it, that means I've got it going. I've got it all taken care of. On a roll, which means I'm experiencing success. It's going well. On cloud nine, which means really happy. On the way. On the table. On good terms. On the bright side. On your mark. All right, so here are some sentences with the preposition on. So listen for it and try to repeat it after me and use the same prosody that I use. The team is working on a new marketing strategy. She wrote an article on the latest industry trends. The project manager is on a tight deadline. We're waiting for updates on client feedback. I'm on a conference call with the stakeholders right now. Please make sure the documents are on my desk by 10 a.m. The company is focused on increasing customer satisfaction. He gave a presentation on innovative software solutions. She's on leave for the next 2 weeks. The engineer is working on fixing the technical issue. They're on track to complete the project by the deadline. The meeting will start on time, so don't be late. This task is on the priority list for today. She's on a call with a potential client. I met him on my way to the park. She put the dishes on the table before dinner. Can you check to see if there's a new movie on Netflix? I saw an ad on social media about the sale. Let's meet on the patio for coffee. He's been working on his fitness goals all year. They painted a mural on the wall of the community center. I'll be on vacation next week, so I won't be available. She's on cloud 9 after getting engaged. I found this amazing recipe on a food blog. We're planning a surprise trip on her graduation day. He's been on edge waiting for the exam results. Okay, that's all for the preposition on. If you liked it, please subscribe. Thanks.